Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do marble flowers using Serenade and Abloom. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Using Spilt Milk, apply 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Serenade and Abloom onto a nail art palette. Using your dotting tool, swirl the two colours together and pick up some gel with the bigger dotting ball. Place 3 dots beside one another, leaving a gap to create half of a flower. Using your thin nail art brush, pull down thin lines towards the centre to create petals. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint 5 dots in a circular shape to create the outline of a flower. Using your thin nail art brush, pull thin lines towards the centre to create petals. Cure for 10 seconds. If you can fit an extra full or half flower, repeat the previous steps. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Whiteout and the smaller dotting ball, paint a dot in the centre of your flowers. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.